What's the meaning of California? California. California.
California. California. California is a state located in the western United States that has a rich and diverse history. The name California is believed to have been derived from a fictional island described in a popular Spanish novel, which was thought to be rich in gold and pearls. Originally colonized by Spanish explorers, California became part of Mexico in 1821 before being ceded to the United States in 1848 following the Mexican-American War. Today, California is known for its mild climate, scenic beauty, thriving economy, and diverse population. It is home to many famous landmarks and attractions, including Hollywood, Disneyland, and the Golden Gate Bridge.